Well, Bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. In this video, we will talk about Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy is a hierarchy of cognitive skills that students must progress through to develop a deep and thorough understanding of a subject. As an educator, understanding Bloom's taxonomy is fundamental in designing effective lesson plans. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the nuance of Bloom's taxonomy, its various dimensions, applications, and benefits. Join us as we dive deep into the world of educational psychology and discover how Bloom's taxonomy can dramatically impact the way we teach our students. So, welcome to this comprehensive guide on Bloom's taxonomy. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of this timeless concept and discover how it can impact the way we teach our students. We will start with an overview of Bloom's taxonomy and then dive into each of the 6 cognitive levels in details. Bloom's taxonomy is a framework for organizing educational goals and learning objectives, which was developed by Benjamin Bloom in 1950s. This framework is widely used by educators and educational psychologists to design effective teaching strategies and measure learning outcomes. Bloom's taxonomy comprises 3 domains: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. In this video, we will focus entirely on the cognitive domain, which is concerned with intellectual processes such as thinking, problem solving, and remembering. The cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy is divided into 6 levels of intellectual complexity to build on each other to produce deep learning and thorough understanding. The first level, knowledge, refers to the ability to recall information. Students at this level are expected to memorize facts, definitions, and concepts. As educators, we must ensure that the information we provide is accurate and relevant. The second level, comprehension, involves the ability to understand the meaning of the knowledge that has been acquired. Students at this level are expected to demonstrate their understanding of key concepts and ideas. As educators, we must use methods like active listening, questioning techniques, and visual aids to help our students comprehend concepts. The third level, application, require the students to use knowledge they have acquired in real-world situations. In other words, they are expected to apply what they have learned in a practical context. This level requires creativity and critical thinking skills, which can be developed through hand-on projects and experimental learning. The third level, analysis, require the students to break down more complex concepts into smaller, more manageable parts, which help them better understand the whole. At this level, educators can use activities like case studies, group discussion, and concept mapping to help students analyze and understand the ideas. The fifth level, synthesis, involves the ability to combine various parts or elements into a new whole. Students at this level must be able to create a new concept or ideas by combining elements in a way that they have not been previously combined. To encourage this level of thinking, educators must allow for creative freedom, collaboration opportunities, and open-ended assignment. The sixth and the final level is evaluation. Involves the ability to assess the value and worth of what has been learned. Students at this level are expected to apply their critical thinking and problem-solving skills to evaluate the information they have learned and form their own point of view. To encourage evaluation, educators must provide opportunities for debate, discussions, and peer evaluations. Applying Bloom's taxonomy in teaching. Now that we have an understanding of each level, let's dive into how we can apply Bloom's taxonomy in our teaching methodology. The first step is to identify the learning objectives for our lesson. The objectives must be clearly defined and aligned with Bloom's taxonomy levels. Once we have the objective, we can select the appropriate teaching method to achieve those objectives. For example, if our objective is to develop critical thinking skills, we can use a problem-based learning approach. Next, we need to design assessment that align with the learning objectives. The assessments must be varied and balanced, cover each level of Bloom's taxonomy. This will enable us to measure how well our students have progressed through the cognitive levels and adjust our teaching accordingly. It is also important to provide feedback to our students throughout their learning journey. Feedback must be timely, instructive, and specific to each student's progress. Providing feedback that align with our learning objectives and Bloom's taxonomy levels can help students better understand the areas in which they need to improve and achieve higher level of learning. Benefit of Bloom's taxonomy. There are many benefits to using Bloom's taxonomy in our teaching methodology. First and foremost, it allows us to design effective lesson plan that align with our learning objectives. This can lead to higher level of student achievement and deeper understanding of subject matter. Bloom's taxonomy also encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity in our students. These are essential skills that can help students succeed in their academic and professional careers. In addition, using Bloom's taxonomy can help us better measure our students' progress and adjust our teaching methods accordingly. This can lead to a more personalized approach to teaching that meets each student's unique needs and encourage higher level of learning. And that brings us to the end of this comprehensive guide on Bloom's taxonomy. We hope that you have found this video informative and insightful. Remember, Bloom's taxonomy is a framework for organizing educational goals and learning objectives, enabling us to design effective teaching strategies and measure learning outcomes. By using this framework, we can encourage higher level of thinking and deeper understanding in our students. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.